Hi guys! Oh my god, I am so tired. I slept 1 hour, and as you can see, my makeup is like, been wearing it all day long, and this is like, I'm doing this video in a 2-part video, so it's gonna be more like a kind of like story time voiceover for today, so it's gonna be amazing. And before we get into this little makeup look application to pass from my bare face to a full beat of makeup with a cut crease, really beautiful for all day long wear. As you can see, still bomb. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for 5 beautiful videos a week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So we're gonna go with it with my little hat and try this for the first time to see if it looks good on camera or if I look just kind of crazy. I wasn't able to sleep because I had something crazy happening. I had an interview and I ended up just sleeping like maybe 1 hour and then going there and then just rocking it. It just went so well. And before that, I obviously got up super early and I decided to do my makeup. Started with my, Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, which has nothing left in it. Seriously, I needed this foundation because I was gonna wear a mask and I still wanted to wear a full face of makeup. So applying this, of course, was really crucial to my long-lasting makeup effect. What did I do after that? I did my eyebrows, and I am switching back to doing my eyebrows and my eyes first. I feel like it's different. I wanted to do something different. I want to concentrate more on the makeup on the eyes and the eyebrows just because I feel like I fell kind of out of it. And doing my eyebrows first, like even though I make mistakes or I make it all messy, it's just going to look super amazing. And then, I use the Anastasia Brow Wiz in medium brown because it's an amazing product. I slap it on and then I went with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer to clean up under the brow, put it all over the lid, and also clean up on top of the brow because we got some things happening over there, and yeah, crazy. And then we went on with the eyeshadow, the drill, One Size Visionary eyeshadow palette because I wanted to go neutral and do something not too crazy. So I went into 3 different shades. I went into the shade Top of My Game, which is that really beautiful taupe neutral color. And then I went into a little bit of the Manila Sand shade, which is just to blend out the edges a little bit because I was having taking my time to blend that thing because I wanted this to be so flawless when they saw my makeup that it was going to be like crazy. So, and then I went with the shade, what's the shade name called? Sometimes I forget the shade names. Brownie, to really put a little bit more of a deep vibe on the outer corner of my eye. And that just ended up looking amazing. Seriously. And of course, it wasn't going to be complete with eyeliner. And I think I perfected my eyeliner in a way. It's not too thick. I found a way to make it very thin and like really lift my eye up. So I'm using this Suva Beauty water activated eyeliner, which I love. It is waterproof, not waterproof. What am I saying? It's water activated. Girl, I am tired with that 1 hour of sleep and like I've been up for like 16 hours already. So I now had 3 coffees and my brain is wired and I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay. So yes, I use a little brush, activate it with water, and then I just draw a thin line, and then if ever I just take a little brush and clean it up because I still want this to look pretty, And I can notice my nose, it's kind of like not the prettiest right now, so I wore my glasses all day, went to the beach. It was really fun, but my nose makeup right now is just, I added a little bit of the water weight pressed powder on top just to make sure that it was pretty and cute. And I removed my false lashes as well because it was just uncomfortable. It's like removing a bra after a long day of work. Well, same with eyelashes. I just decided to remove them earlier before I went to the beach. Moving on, the mascara. This is the MAC False Lashes Extreme Black Mascara. I put my lashes on. Of course, I put also eyeshadow under my lower lash line to fit it after applying the Suva liner, and the eye look was pretty much complete. And then I passed on to the face makeup because eye makeup is great, but your skin has to look nice even with a face mask on, basically. So I went with my long-lasting foundation, which, where are you? It was the Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15. Amazing as matte finish. It lasts super long on my skin, and even after like super long time all day long, going to the beach in the heat, going to stress of this interview, it stayed on. This is crazy. Okay, so I put that. I also paired it with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, which is an amazing combination when you put them both together. It's like crazy amazing. And after that, I decided to go with the Natasha Denona Diamond Blush palette and then apply the cream blush just to have like a little base, because when I only put powder blush, it kind of like disappears throughout the day, and especially if I have a mask rubbing on it, I kind of don't want it to like disappear completely. So having a cream blush under is just gonna help everything better. And of course, going with my water weight pressed powder, which by the way, I have to fix it because this is completely unacceptable that there is no product left in this pan. Okay, this is this is not crazy. Like if you look at it, like it is so hard to use when I've hit pan multiple times already, and I broke this compact before, and I think I'm gonna do a video on that. Like, can I like scavenge the product and then replace it? I think it's gonna be such an amazing video idea. Tell me down below if you want to see that. Anyways, little side note, that's quite funny. My skin is really itchy and it's been doing very bad lately. The reason why is, I guess we bought ice cream and I ate the ice cream and it broke me out. Too much sugar, too much lactose, too many, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, listen, I had 1 hour of sleep. Then when I came back home, I was so tired. Like my brain literally could not think and could not work. So I just decided to lay down for an hour. It wasn't really sleeping, so I guess I still slept like an hour and a half, let's say, in total. And then my boyfriend came to wake me up because we want to go to bed early tonight, and because we have an appointment tomorrow, so that. And then he brought me ice cream. So he woke me up with ice cream, and I got a phone call and a bunch of things happening. So anyways, after that, let's not get all too much away from the makeup. So I decided to put my bronzing powder, my bronzer from Marc Jacobs everywhere around my face. And I realized sometimes with the bright lights, especially when I went into the mall and I went into different places, sometimes I put too much bronzer, and the lights, when I open them and I do my makeup, it's kind of like crazy, because when I go for my interview, I decided to just record all of the makeup that I was doing just so I could, you know, do a video with it. So that's just amazing for that. And yeah, I need to fix this. So later on, I fixed it with the water weight pressed powder and just like blended it out because it was too crazy. And applied the blush back with the Natasha Denona Diamond Blush palette. I wanted something kind of like very neutral for the eyes, but I wanted something more warm tone on the face, just to have like a balance between warm and cool tones on my face. So it was kind of cute. And highlight, of course, I stayed within that palette again. I put it on my cheeks, on my nose, under my brows. No, I didn't. Oh my god, I forgot, guys. I told you, like, I put the Jaclyn Hill highlighter on under my brow bone as well. It is popping again. This is the loose highlighter, and it's just amazing, to be honest. I put this on top of my cheeks as well, but after a long day of brainless activity, because my brain doesn't work, it kind of like went away a little bit, so I decided to add a little bit more highlighter and blush for this video now that I'm recording. So it would look better. So I look pale too. I wanted dimension, even though I have a hat on. So what am I gonna say? Like, I don't want this video to be too long, to be honest, because this is gonna be crazy. Okay, what did I apply after that? I have to think sometimes about what I applied because it's just... So I finished my face, I did my highlight, and then I went to the lips because that's what's supposed to be. Yes. I put the lip primer on my lips. Yes, I did. It's amazing, but I broke it the other day, so I have to be careful with it because it is crazy. No, can you not, please? I am doing a video. So lip liner, Boldly Bare, as always. I'm gonna get more lip liners soon, more lipsticks, more everything. You guys are gonna see there's gonna be a bunch of products coming, and I'm so excited to be... After applying my lip liner, I did apply my MAC Powder Kiss lipsticks in Reverence to have a little pink moment on my lips, so it could be kind of like neutral and have a story within my face. Crazy. And that's it. I think I didn't even apply setting spray. I didn't want to disrupt anything. The MAC Prepless Prime Fix Plus, it's more like, it's not skin refresher. I didn't put the skin refresher because of the mask that I was gonna pot, of course. And yeah, that was it. That was the makeup that I did for today. Very simple, very quick, easy, bam bam, colors, beautiful. And obviously doesn't look like that when I finished it because yeah, that's what it looks like, guys. I mean, oh my god. And then of course, I don't remember if I recorded it. I'm gonna see this in the editing post recording. I did put my favorite combination of perfumes, which I'm gonna show you guys. I love these so much. So I put the Versace Bright Crystal on my neck, and I like this scent, but sometimes it's like too like electric, you know, it's very like bam in your face. So I like to soften it with the Toka, oh my god, Florence. And I'm gonna start, like, I just want to say it, like, talking about perfume, I'm gonna start like, you know, experimenting with perfumes and doing reviews with perfumes as well. So I don't know if you want to see that, but I'm super excited to be you know, incorporating this content as well into my channel. You know, I do makeup, I do skincare, I do perfumes. Now I do lifestyle, sometimes vlogs, I do some fashion content. So I would love to know what you prefer and what you want to see down in the comments down below. I would love to know what you want to see next. I have a couple of ideas, but sometimes coming with 5 videos a week can be like overwhelming. So, but I just come up with ideas all the time. So I need to do this. And I'm rambling. Where was I? Anyways, perfumes. These perfumes are amazing. Combination amazing. I was like looking between these two combination and the Tory Burch Nuit Azur, which the Nuit Azur, obviously it's little samples there, but can't wait to take bottles soon. Ooh. I'm gonna be more organized, okay, because I'm gonna start working, and it's like, I don't know if it happens to you guys, but like when you have not enough things to do, it's like, it's hard. It's like you feel overwhelmed sometimes. So now I'm going to have so many things to do. So I'm going to be super organized. And yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys. I just wanted to share that. Anyways, I also have some beachy waves because I put some braids, but I let it hair dry. And it looks absolutely horrible at the moment. I don't even think I put products yesterday. I just went to bed because it was like I was trying to go to bed. Anyways, oof, I don't know what I'm talking about, girl. I need to go to bed. I need to edit, post, go to bed, wake up, record, do my things, organize, and all of these things. Anyways, my brain goes 1 million an hour. I cannot. Okay, anyways. Also, I decided to have like a little, oh, and by the way, when I went to my interview, I decided to bring my little bag, my little Want Les Essentiels, and then I decided to put my makeup in there just so it's all black, it's all vibing. And of course in the video I have a different outfit because I put my outfit before putting my makeup because I'm like, I don't want to put my outfit and then the makeup smears all over it. So that's why it's different. I changed because we went to the beach. So it was fun. It was really fun. So that's the makeup for today. That's the video for today, me rambling and saying a bunch of different things that I don't know what's going on. But yeah, I really hope that you liked it. Me being brainless for how many minutes now? I've been recording 14 minutes. The video is probably going to be shorter than that, but I'm rambling. So anyways, I hope that you like this video. It's a little bit different. If you want me to do more like these, there's going to be, of course, more videos like these. And make sure to like it and to comment down below again. And make sure to subscribe. Because you guys, there's 98% of you guys are not subscribed to my channel. Like, you got to subscribe. You got to subscribe and it will mean the world to me. It's going to push my content. It's going to make my channel grow. And we're going to grow family and post more content and do more product reviews and do a bunch of more stuff. So it's going to be amazing. I'm excited. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching again. And I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, guys. If you like my hat, tell me down below.